Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is the team randomiser for the half case break from the grand final break that's left over. So we'll go live. Thanks for getting the filled and getting payments in. Time is 8:13 PM in Cairns. Just go to the list, get the teams. Hope everyone's had a good Monday. Copy that. Computer's working real fast tonight. Okay, West Tigers down the bottom, Broncos up the top, so we'll randomise 5 times, guys, as we do 4 breaks. And I'll put the list straight up. That's number 1, 16 teams. Number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Alright, so we'll grab the teams, copy, put them in there. When it's ready, and there we have it. Alright, we'll save that. I'll put that straight up now, and then yeah, if any trades, could you please let me know. Just tag me in the comments as always, guys. Alrighty, hope everyone's had a good Monday, as I said, and thanks very much for the support. And we'll go live tomorrow night at say 7:30 Queensland time. Cheers, guys. Have a good night. Have a good day tomorrow. See yous.